we had seen that the writer or the narrator was trying to save that baby langur from the attack of that male langur. So here now the encounter was going on, and while the encounter was going on, only he was involved in it. But later his parents and the neighbors also, they join him and they try to save that baby langur on their part. So let's see. By this time my parents and sisters had come out onto the veranda and were witnessing my rescue operation. As I have said, that his parents and neighbors witnessing the rescue operation. Rescue operation, the mission that is set to save someone's life. So that is called a rescue operation. So here rescue operation for that baby langur. Then some of our main neighbors had also gathered in the distance, and his neighbors had gathered there in the distance. They were not closer, or they did not come closer to the narrator. I took the baby langur in to our backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. See there, he takes out that baby langur in his hand, and he in order to save that baby langur, he takes him to the backyard. Backyard परसामध्ये, it means the place that is behind the house. So that is called backyard. We say in Marathi परसामध्ये. And gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. I have written here cage for the poultry, where chickens are there. His body was full of deep bite marks and scratched. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. Now you can imagine what sort of trouble that baby langur was facing when he was in the hands of that male langur. Here we can find that, see, his body was full of bite marks. त्याचं शरीर संपूर्ण अगदी चावा घेतलेला होता. And scratched, आणि काही ओरखडे देखील, ओरखडलेलं पण होतं त्याचं पूर्ण शरीर. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds, and his wounds were full of blood, and the blood was coming out from the baby langur's body. Oozing, coming out. The baby remained motionless, and due to this attack, the baby langur was not in what you can say, not in that much sense, or he was motionless, he was still. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing even though his were shallow. See, now the whole family have joined this rescue operation, and the family members of to take shallow breaths. Shallow म्हणजे अगदी थोडा थोडा श्वास घ्यायला त्यानं चालू केला. तेव्हा at that time he found himself lucky. तेव्हा तो नरेटर तो स्वतःला या ठिकाणी खूप म्हणजे लकी समजतो की, आणि he was feeling like he is relieved from, आणि त्याला या ठिकाणी बरंही वाटलं की तो आता चला त्या रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन मध्ये तो सक्सेसफुल झाला. Splashes of cold water made by the baby stir, and after a few shaky attempts he sat up. Now the narrator has no options except splashing of the water. After a few shaky attempts, shaky अगदी अस्थिर आणि संशयास्पद, shaky अगदी, it was a kind of doubtful moments. You see, when a live body sleeps and it tries to move something, sometime at that time we feel a doubt that what is happening with it, त्यासोबत काय होतंय किंवा काय घडतंय, अशा पद्धतीनं संशय त्याला बळावतो, आणि थोडं अशा संशयास्पद हालचालीवरून तो काय करतो, तो उठून बसतो. He sat up. He was in state of shock and started trembling like a leaf in the wind. He was in the state of shock. Yes, exactly. He was under the influence of that big male langur's attack, and it was not easy for him to get saved. But with the help of or by the God's grace, the narrator has rescued him from the attack. So he was and he was in the state of shock and started trembling like a leaf in the wind. Yes, he was all alone. Nobody was with him, and due to this state of mind, he was under the shock and he started trembling like a leaf in the wind. ट्रेम्बलिंग अगदी म्हणजे एखाद्या वाऱ्यामध्ये जसं थरथराट करतो, म्हणजे वाऱ्यामध्ये एखादं पान जसं फिरतं, म्हणजे त्या पानाचं काही अस्तित्व नसतं तेव्हा, तसं वाऱ्याने सळसळणाऱ्या वाऱ्याने थरथरणाऱ्या अशा पानासारखी त्याची हालत या ठिकाणी झालेली होती. And his two little twinkling eyes welled up with tears and he started to sob with a muffled cry. And you see, he started crying. His eyes welled up means he started to cry. He started to sob with a muffled cry. Muffled cry, just like muffled means म्हणजे अगदी दबावातली, म्हणजे दबक्या अशा सुरामध्ये त्यानं रडणं आपलं चालू केलं आणि आपले डोळे त्यांनी अश्रूंनी भरून घेतले. जस्ट लाईक अ ह्युमन चाइल्ड वुड आफ्टर एक्सपिरियन्सिंग ट्रॉमा. आणि जसे तो लहान लंगूर कसा अगदी लहान एखादं म्हणजे मनुष्याचा एखादा मुलगा छोट्या मुलासारखं त्यानं रडायला चालू केला, जसं की एखादा लहान बाळ. त्याला जेव्हा एखादा जबरदस्त कोणी तर एखाद्या वेळेस समजा भीती घातली किंवा त्याला भीती दाखवली किंवा त्याच्यावर कोणीतरी हल्ला केला आणि हल्ल्यामध्ये जसं तो अगदी बिथरतो त्या पद्धतीनं तोही बिथरलेला होता. I offered him a peeled banana which he accepted with his unsteady hand and began talking hesitant bites. So this time the male langur, that baby langur, has started to cover his sadness. As you know that he was he was affected, or he was under the influence of that big male langur. Here and he started and see here the writer or the narrator has offered a peeled banana. Peeled ते केळ घेतं and he started taking a hesitant bites. आणि तो अगदी म्हणजे मनात संकोच करत तो काय करतो, तो केळी खायला लागतो. My attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur. Suddenly I had an uncanny feeling of being watched. But see, my attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur. It means the writer was trying to give his 100% to save that little baby langur's life. But suddenly what happens? I had an uncanny feeling of being watched. But he understood that someone is looking at him, someone is observing his activities. He felt at that time. त्याला अगदी वेगळीच असं त्याला जाणीव झाली की कोणीतरी माझ्याकडे अगदी एका पद्धतीने बारकाईने कोणीतरी लक्ष ठेवून आहे असं त्याला फील होतं. आय टर्न अवे फ्रॉम द कूप अँड लुक्ड अप. तर त्या कोंबडीच्या खुरड्यापासून तो अगदी तो बाजूला होतो आणि तिथून तो पाहतो की काय पाहतो बघा. देअर सॅट द मदर लंगूर ऑन आवर किचन रूफ. तिथे त्या बेबी लंगूरची आई त्या लेखकाच्या छतावरती ती बसून अगदी काय करत होती, वॉचिंग एव्हरी मूव आय मेड. इट मीन्स शी वॉज कीपिंग हर ऑब्झर्वेशन ऑन द नरेटर्स मोमेंट. नरेटर ज्या पद्धतीनं हालचाली करत होता, ज्या पद्धतीनं तिच्या बाळाला वाचवण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होता, त्या सर्व गोष्टीवरती ही लक्ष ठेवत होती किंवा ती पाहत होती. हिअर She simply sat there quietly, as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. It means she simply sat there quietly. ती अगदी she was not doing anything. She was not barking, she was not crying, she was not trying to harm the narrator, but there she sat very quietly and as if she is convinced that no harm is going to happen with her kid. त्याच्या तिच्या मुलाला कसल्याही पद्धतीची कसल्याही प्रकारची इजा या लेखकाकडून पोचणार नाही अशा पद्धतीने ती शांत खात्रीशीर बसलेली होती. Meanwhile, the baby sensed the presence of his mother and started to sob and cry a little louder. And in between, when the baby langur understood that, sensed that, it means came to know. When he came to know that the presence of her mother, then he started to sob just like a human child or human kid. अगदी लहान बाळासारखं तो त्याच्या आईला बघतो आणि तो रडायला चालू करतो. हे थोड्या मोठ्याने. Retreated from the door of the coop to allow the mother access to her baby. And there the narrator tried to move away from the place so that its mother would come down and take care of her kid. Immediately the mother descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. जसं लेखक हा त्या लहान लंगूरच्या बाजूने जेव्हा तो जिथं लहान लंगूर जिथं त्या पोल्ट्रीच्या त्या खोरड्याजवळ ते ठेवलेलं होतं ते त्याच्या तो अगदी बाजूला सरकतो आणि तिच्या आईला त्यामध्ये येण्यासाठी आणि त्याची काळजी घेण्यासाठी तो तिला रस्ता देतो आणि बाजूला आणि अशा हेतूने तो बाजूला सरकतो आणि तेव्हा तिची आई खाली उतरते, त्या छतावरून उतरते किचनच्या आणि त्या तिच्या मुलाकडे जाते. अँड शी पिक्ड अप द बेबी इन हर आर्म्स आणि ती काय करते, ती तिच्या बाहूमध्ये तिच्या मुलाला घेते. शी गेव द बेबी अ थरो बॉडी इन्स्पेक्शन to check his injuries and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom. First, she did not touch him directly. What did she do? She tried to observe everything. It means where are the injuries and how he was beaten up cruelly. So like that, all these things were being observed by her, and then she checked her injuries and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom, and then she got her into the arms, and the baby found great solace in her caring arms. And there the baby langur found that now it's mother's arm, and that's why he felt very comfortable in her arm. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. It was almost as if she was pondering over her options and trying to figure out how she could how could she keep the baby safe from further assault. And after taking her son into her arms, she started thinking over that how can I save my kid from the attack, from the assault, from the further assault from the male langur. And that's why she was trying to ponder, thinking, meditating, or thinking over the things. काही गोष्टीवरती विचार करत होती. And for a few seconds the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. Even today I cannot forget that look in her eyes, showering silent gratitude on me for saving her child. And see, it is his first experience that he was observing, and for a few seconds the mother, that langur mother, was looking into the eyes of the narrator. You see, the scene is quite emotional. It makes us to think over the relationship between human and animals. So friends, it is very necessary to know how to build up our relationship with the animals. So that experience has been seen by the narrator. Even today, I cannot forget that look in her eyes, showering silent gratitude on me for saving her child. It means what she was doing, she was not looking, she was not only looking into the eyes of the narrator, but she was expressing, she was showering a silent gratitude. सायलेंट ग्रॅटिट्यूड, अगदी न व्यक्त करता येण्यासारखी कृतज्ञता. आपल्या समजा आपल्यावर कोणाचे तरी उपकार आहेत, कोणीतरी उपकार करतोय किंवा कोणीतरी आपली खूप मोठी मदत करतोय, at that time we should express our gratitude by saying thank you. But here, as we know that animals don't speak, but still we must get a chance to communicate with them. It's not necessary to talk with the words, but it is the work of understanding. आपण ते समजून घेतलं पाहिजे, एकमेकांना जाणून घेतलं पाहिजे, and that is the big thing for him, that he has saved her child. I was overwhelmed by the emotion, the sentiment, and the way she said thanks to me. There sat a universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. Now, I was overwhelmed by the emotion. You see, the feeling was identified by the writer. Could understand that what she wants to say, what she wanted to say, and what she wanted to express, and it has been said and it has been experienced by the narrator. So he felt overwhelmed. त्याला अगदी खूप मान सन्मान दिल्यासारखं वाटलं, ह्याचं मन खूप भरून आलं. And the sentiment and the way she said thanks to me. There sat a universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. And the narrator says that it was a universal mother. ती एक वैश्विक आई असं म्हणून या ठिकाणी लेखक तिला संबोधतो. आणि जी की वैश्विक आई, इट मीन्स रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ मदर. आपल्या लहान बाळाला अगदी निवांतपणे आपल्या मांडीवर घेऊन ती बसलेली होती. Then in a flash she jumped with her baby clinging to her belly and reached our kitchen roof. And then, as we know, that the baby langur was there. And in a flash, अगदी काही क्षणातच, she jumped with her baby clinging to her belly. तीन काय करते, लगेच उडी घेते, त्या बाळाला आपल्या पोटाशी घेते, उराशी घेते, आणि त्या लेखकाच्या किचन रूफ वरती जाते. She surveyed the area for the vicious male langur and then leapt away in the direction opposite to the place of violent encounter. So here she was observing, she was surveying, she was looking all around that where is that vicious male langur. त्या दुष्ट मेल लंगूरचं वास्तव्य कुठं आहे, तो कुठे बसलाय, अशा पद्धतीचं ती या ठिकाणी शोधते, त्याला शोधते, आणि त्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेनं ती त्या एन्काउंटर, अचानक जिथे हल्ला झालेला होता त्या एन्काउंटरच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने ती काय करते, या ठिकाणी त्या ठिकाणी ती निघून जाते. The brief meeting with the mother and the baby langur convinced me that interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship hums into action. So it was a brief meeting. ती भेट त्या प्राण्यांची अगदी, त्या लेखकाची आणि त्या प्राण्यांची अगदी खूप संक्षिप्त अशी भेट होती, ज्याच्यामध्ये एक the mother and the baby langur convinced me. So during this meeting they tried to convey their message that interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship hums into action. So here from this meeting the narrator came to know that the interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality. Means relationship between humans and other animals, it needs to be understood, and it needs to be brought into the right in the reality when strike the right chord. प्राण्यांमध्ये आणि मनुष्यामध्ये एक चांगलं सहसंबंध प्रस्थापित होऊ शकतो किंवा त्यांच्यामध्ये आपल्यामध्ये एक चांगलं नातं या ठिकाणी तयार होऊ शकतं, पण आपल्याला योग्य ती तार छेडता आली पाहिजे. आणि जेव्हा आपण अशा पद्धतीची तार छेडलो, समजा प्राण्यांना आपण मदत केली, and if you don't, then they will not be our friends, and if you try to save them, they will be our friends and they will not attack any human beings. That's why it has been said the relationship comes into action. तर अशा पद्धतीचं जे काही संबंध आहे मानव आणि प्राण्याचं, हे याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे अगदी काय म्हणतात त्याला, आपण आपलं संबंध जे आहे हा संबंध कार्यान्वित होऊ शकतं, पुढे राहू शकतं. द मदर लंगूर showed me that food was not the only means of communication between man and animal, but there were other means of establishing a bond through trust, compassion and mutual understanding. So that mother langur showed him that the food is not the only medium of connecting humans and animals, or it is not the only means of communication. प्राण्यांना केवळ खायला दिलं म्हणजे आपलं त्यांच्याशी योग्य ते संबंध किंवा चांगले संबंध असतात किंवा असू शकतील अशा पद्धतीने आपण या ठिकाणी म्हणू शकत नाहीत. बट इट हॅज शोड समथिंग डिफरंट, and what is that? We should establish a bond through trust. आपण त्यांच्याशी नातं कसं निर्माण करायला पाहिजे? एक आपली जी ट्रस्ट म्हणजे विश्वास, कंपॅशन म्हणजे त्यांच्याबद्दल असणारी सहानुभूती, अनुकंपा, अँड म्युच्युअल अंडरस्टँडिंग आणि एकमेकांमध्ये असणारं सामंजस्य. या 3 गोष्टी जर आपल्याकडे असतील तर मानवाचा आणि प्राण्यांचा सहसंबंध, सहजीवन अगदी चांगलं भरभराटीस येऊ शकतं. 55 years have passed since that day. आणि या गोष्टीला आता 55 वर्ष झालेली आहेत. I am now 70 years old, but I still fondly remember that encounter of a special kind. You see, after 55 years, the narrator is describing that event. This encounter happened but still he fondly remembers that encounter of a special kind. तर अशा प्रकारची ही जी अचानक पडलेली गाठ या वानराशी आणि त्या वानराला वाचवण्याची जी गाठ होती, ती गाठ ह्यांना कायम लक्षात राहिली आणि त्याच्यामुळेच याला ते एक एन्काउंटर, एक साधा एन्काउंटर नाही, तर हा एक एन्काउंटर, एक खास एन्काउंटर, एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचा एन्काउंटर, एक वेगळ्या प्रकारची चकमक या स्टोरीमधून प्राण्यांशी आपले हितसंबंध कसे असावेत, और how to build or how to establish bond between the animals and between humans and animals. So that thing is learnt when we think about. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this story, and while enjoying this story, you have some activities on the margin lines. You are going to guess the meanings of these words like shaky, uncanny, bosom, welled up, and solve all these margin questions, so that it will help you to understand this story better in the better manner, and that is the end of the story.